a few lines of code cannot mimic the nuances of human interaction. However, learned patterns of manual behavior can help compensate for the human absence in times of struggle. Maybe that was the thought that inspired John McCarthy to hold his academic conference in 1956 and for the first time talk about artificial intelligence. Hello and welcome to Digital Vanguard, Zymr's CTO podcast. I'm your host, Chloe Upton, and I'm thrilled to have you join us for our latest episode. Here at Digital Vanguard, we explore the cutting-edge trends and innovations shaping modern digital ecosystems and software product engineering. Today, I'm joined by our resident expert, Sam Wyatt, a leading voice in digital transformation.
Oh, well, I don't know about leading voice, but thanks for having me, Chloe. I love it.
In this episode, we'll delve into a fascinating topic, addressing healthcare's greatest challenges with generative AI. We'll explore how AI is revolutionizing healthcare by offering new solutions and improving outcomes. So, Sam, what do you think of our topic?
It's 2024, Chloe. Healthcare is facing numerous challenges like managing patient data, improving diagnostic accuracy, and enhancing treatment efficacy. We've just come out of a pandemic, and healthcare providers are desperately seeking technologies that can uplift patient engagement and treatment. This is where generative AI finds its ground. It offers immense potential to address healthcare issues by automating processes, enhancing decision-making, and personalizing patient care. In general, AI-driven technologies are transforming healthcare delivery by reducing costs and improving patient outcomes. So yeah, there's a lot to talk about on this topic, and I'm very excited.
So, Sam, I'm hearing about AI tools being integrated into clinical workflows to assist with diagnostics and treatment planning. They are being considered in the drug discovery and development process. So, with AI already being there in the picture, what nuances are asking for a deeper engagement with generative AI in healthcare?
That's a fantastic question, Chloe. While AI tools have already made significant strides in clinical workflows and drug discovery, generative AI brings a new level of sophistication and potential to healthcare. Traditional AI algorithms excel at analyzing existing data and identifying patterns, but generative AI can create new data and solutions. Chloe, it can push the boundaries of what's possible in healthcare. It offers the ability to create, simulate, and predict a transformative approach to the way medical is done.
So, yeah, please expand on this for our listeners. Let's begin with diagnostics. Speed and accuracy are important factors in identifying the medical problem, and we are seeing high rates of diagnostic errors in general. How do you think AI can help?
Absolutely, Chloe. Diagnostics is a critical area where speed and accuracy can significantly impact patient outcomes. Diagnostic errors are unfortunately quite common and can lead to delays in treatment, incorrect treatments, and even serious harm. Generative AI has the potential to revolutionize this aspect of healthcare in several key ways. Let's start with image analysis. One of the most promising applications of AI in diagnostics is in medical imaging. AI algorithms can analyze medical images like X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans with incredible precision. Generative AI can go a step further by creating detailed simulations of these images, helping to identify subtle patterns and anomalies that the human eye might miss. This can lead to earlier detection of conditions such as cancer, heart disease, and neurological disorders. Then comes predictive modeling. Generative AI can create predictive models based on a patient's data, including genetics, medical history, and lifestyle factors. These models can help predict the likelihood of developing certain conditions and recommend preventative measures or early interventions. For example, AI can identify patients at high risk of developing diabetes and suggest lifestyle changes or treatments to prevent the onset of the disease. Gen AI can also automate the generation of diagnostic reports. This reduces the burden on healthcare providers and, more importantly, minimizes human error. By analyzing clinical data and imaging results, AI can produce comprehensive reports that highlight key findings and suggest possible diagnoses. This can help clinicians make more informed decisions and ensure that no critical information is overlooked. If you talk about EHRs, Gen AI can integrate seamlessly with EHRs, providing real-time diagnostic support to clinicians. By analyzing a patient's complete medical history in conjunction with current symptoms and test results, AI can offer diagnostic suggestions and highlight potential concerns. This can be particularly useful in emergency settings, where quick and accurate decision-making is vital. One of the most powerful aspects of AI is its ability to continuously learn and improve over time. As AI systems are exposed to more data and diagnostic cases, they become more accurate and reliable. Generative AI can simulate various diagnostic scenarios, refining its algorithms and improving its diagnostic capabilities. This continuous learning cycle ensures that AI remains at the forefront of medical advancements. Cognitive biases and variability in clinical experience can sometimes influence human diagnostic processes. AI systems, on the other hand, can provide consistent and unbiased diagnostic support. By standardizing diagnostic procedures, AI can help reduce disparities in healthcare and ensure that all patients receive the same high standard of care.
I love the detail with which you go into this, Sam. I want to talk about the disillusionment that healthcare has had in recent times, where one size fits all no longer works. How does Gen AI help with personalization?
Thanks, Chloe. Personalization is indeed a critical area where healthcare has faced significant challenges. As you said, the one-size-fits-all approach often falls short. It doesn't account for the unique characteristics of each patient. Generative AI offers a transformative solution by enabling highly personalized healthcare. Like if you're looking for treatment plans, generative AI can analyze vast amounts of patient data, like genetic information, medical history, lifestyle factors, and all that. By synthesizing this data, AI can generate personalized treatment plans tailored to the individual needs of each patient. This means treatments can be more effective and have fewer side effects, as they are specifically designed for the patient's unique profile. Another promising application of generative AI is in precision medicine. AI can identify specific biomarkers and genetic mutations associated with diseases, allowing for targeted therapies. For instance, in oncology, generative AI can help develop personalized cancer treatment plans based on the genetic makeup of a patient's tumor, improving treatment efficacy and patient outcomes. Wearable devices, Chloe. Your Apple Watches and pedometers can generate continuous streams of data about a patient's health. Generative AI can analyze this real-time data to provide personalized health insights and recommendations. For example, AI can monitor a patient's heart rate, activity levels, and sleep patterns to offer personalized advice on managing chronic conditions or optimizing wellness. Unlike traditional static treatment protocols, generative AI can adapt treatment plans dynamically as new data becomes available. If a patient's condition changes or if they respond differently to treatment than expected, AI can adjust the plan in real time to ensure the best possible outcomes. This adaptive approach ensures that care remains personalized and relevant throughout the treatment journey. And Chloe, personalized healthcare isn't just about treatment. It's also about engaging and educating patients. Generative AI can create customized educational materials and health recommendations based on a patient's specific needs and preferences. This helps patients better understand their conditions and take an active role in managing their health. Generative AI can predict future health risks based on a patient's data and provide personalized preventive care recommendations. For instance, if AI identifies a patient at high risk of developing a certain condition, it can suggest lifestyle changes, screenings, or early interventions to prevent the disease from occurring. This proactive approach can significantly improve long-term health outcomes. Personalization is also crucial in mental health care. Generative AI can analyze a patient's mental health data and provide tailored support, such as personalized therapy plans or coping strategies. AI can also identify early signs of mental health issues and recommend interventions before they escalate.
Next, Sam, I want to talk about administrative hindrances. Like, administrative tasks can take a lot of time and often bleed into the time needed for patient care. Do you think generative AI can help here somehow?
Absolutely, Chloe. Administrative tasks are a significant burden in healthcare, often consuming valuable time that could be better spent on patient care. Generative AI can play a pivotal role in alleviating these administrative hindrances by automating and streamlining many of these tasks. One of the most time-consuming tasks for healthcare providers is documentation. Generative AI can automate the creation and management of medical records, freeing up clinicians to focus more on patient care. AI can transcribe and summarize patient encounters, generate comprehensive reports, and ensure that all necessary information is accurately documented. Generative AI can optimize scheduling for both patients and healthcare staff. By analyzing patterns and predicting demand, AI can create efficient schedules that minimize wait times and ensure that resources are allocated effectively. This can also include managing operating room schedules, ensuring that equipment and personnel are available when needed. The billing and claims process can be complex and error-prone. Generative AI can streamline this by automating the coding, submission, and follow-up of insurance claims. This not only speeds up the process but also reduces errors and the likelihood of claim denials, ensuring that providers are reimbursed more quickly and accurately. AI can automate the patient intake process, from online appointment booking to digital check-ins. Generative AI can pre-fill forms based on patient history, verify insurance details, and even triage patients based on their symptoms, ensuring that they are directed to the appropriate care providers promptly. Compliance with healthcare regulations is a significant administrative burden. Generative AI can help by monitoring regulatory changes, ensuring that documentation meets all required standards, and alerting staff to any compliance issues. This reduces the risk of penalties and ensures that healthcare providers remain in good standing. Managing and analyzing large volumes of healthcare data is another administrative challenge. Generative AI can organize and analyze this data efficiently, providing insights that can improve operational efficiency and patient care. For example, AI can identify trends in patient outcomes, resource utilization, and financial performance, helping administrators make informed decisions. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can handle routine patient inquiries, appointment reminders, and follow-up communications. This reduces the workload on administrative staff and ensures that patients receive timely and accurate information. Efficient management of medical supplies is crucial for healthcare operations. Generative AI can predict inventory needs, automate ordering processes, and track supplies, ensuring that healthcare providers have the necessary resources without overstocking.
Okay, let's come to drug discovery and development. How can this expensive and time-consuming task be handled by Gen AI?
Great question, Chloe. Drug discovery and development are indeed among the most expensive and time-consuming tasks in healthcare, often taking years and billions of dollars to bring a new drug to market. Generative AI has the potential to revolutionize this process. Generative AI can design and generate new molecular structures that have the potential to become effective drugs. By simulating millions of compounds and predicting their interactions with biological targets, AI can identify promising candidates much faster than traditional methods. This reduces the initial phase of drug discovery from years to months. AI can create predictive models to simulate how potential drugs will behave in the human body. These models can predict pharmacokinetics, how the drug is absorbed, distributed, metabolized, and excreted, and pharmacodynamics, the drug's effects on the body, which helps in selecting the most promising candidates for further development. Generative AI can analyze vast amounts of biological data to identify new drug targets, proteins, or genes that are associated with diseases. AI can also validate these targets by predicting the likelihood that modulating them will have a therapeutic effect, thus streamlining the early stages of drug development. Once potential drug candidates are identified, AI can optimize their properties to enhance efficacy and reduce side effects. Generative AI can suggest modifications to the molecular structure to improve drug performance, stability, and bioavailability. AI can automate the synthesis of chemical compounds, creating drug candidates in the lab with minimal human intervention. This not only speeds up the process, but also reduces the cost and resource requirements. AI can design more efficient clinical trials by identifying suitable patient populations and predicting outcomes. Generative AI can simulate various trial scenarios to optimize protocols, reducing the time and cost of trials. It can also assist in patient recruitment by analyzing electronic health records to find eligible participants more quickly. During clinical trials, AI can analyze data in real time, identifying trends and potential issues much earlier than traditional methods. This allows for faster decision-making and adjustments to the trial design if needed, improving the chances of success. AI can also help in drug repurposing, where existing drugs are tested for new therapeutic uses. By analyzing existing drug data and identifying new potential applications, AI can shorten the development timeline significantly, as these drugs have already passed many safety and regulatory hurdles. Generative AI can assist with ensuring that all stages of drug development comply with regulatory requirements. By automating documentation and monitoring for adherence to guidelines, AI reduces the risk of non-compliance and accelerates the approval process.
I think prediction would be a real gift in healthcare, especially when in case of patient outcomes for chronic diseases. Can Gen AI help with predictive analytics?
Absolutely, Chloe. Predictive analytics is one of the most exciting and impactful applications of generative AI in healthcare, especially when it comes to managing chronic diseases. Chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer require continuous monitoring and management, and predictive analytics can play a crucial role in improving patient outcomes. Generative AI can analyze vast amounts of patient data to identify early signs of chronic diseases before they become clinically apparent. By detecting these subtle patterns, AI can prompt early interventions, potentially preventing the progression of the disease. For example, AI can monitor blood sugar levels and lifestyle factors to predict the onset of diabetes and recommend preventive measures. AI can assess an individual's risk of developing chronic diseases based on their genetics, medical history, lifestyle, and other factors. By generating a personalized risk profile, AI can help healthcare providers tailor prevention and treatment plans to the specific needs of each patient. This personalized approach ensures that high-risk patients receive the attention and care they need. For patients already diagnosed with a chronic disease, generative AI can predict how the disease is likely to progress over time. By simulating various scenarios based on patient data, AI can provide insights into potential future complications and suggest timely interventions to mitigate these risks. This can help in managing conditions like chronic kidney disease or congestive heart failure more effectively. Generative AI can analyze how different patients respond to various treatments and predict the most effective treatment plans for individuals. This is particularly useful in conditions like cancer, where treatment responses can vary widely. By optimizing treatment plans, AI can improve patient outcomes and reduce the trial and error approach often associated with chronic disease management. Wearable devices and remote monitoring tools generate continuous data on patients' health metrics. AI can analyze this data in real time to detect any concerning trends or deviations from the norm. For instance, AI can monitor a cardiac patient's vitals and alert healthcare providers if there are signs of a potential heart attack, enabling prompt intervention. Predictive analytics can also help healthcare systems allocate resources more efficiently. By predicting patient needs and disease outbreaks, AI can assist in planning and ensuring that the necessary resources are available where they are most needed. This can improve the overall quality of care and reduce the burden on healthcare providers. AI can empower patients to take an active role in managing their chronic conditions. By providing personalized insights and recommendations through apps and digital platforms, patients can make informed decisions about their health. For example, AI can suggest dietary changes, exercise routines, and medication adjustments based on real-time data and predictive insights. Predictive analytics can identify patients at high risk of readmission after discharge and recommend targeted interventions to prevent it. This not only improves patient outcomes, but also reduces healthcare costs associated with readmissions.
That's interesting, I feel. If implemented in a mindful way, predictive analysis can be a great contribution for healthcare by generative AI. Sam, I also want to talk about remote patient engagement and monitoring. What does generative AI bring for this?
Indeed, Chloe, Predictive analytics has the potential to greatly enhance healthcare if implemented thoughtfully. When it comes to remote patient engagement and monitoring, generative AI offers several transformative benefits that can significantly improve patient care and outcomes. Generative AI can analyze real-time data from wearable devices, mobile apps, and other remote monitoring tools. This enables continuous tracking of vital signs, activity levels, medication adherence, and other health metrics. AI can identify trends and detect abnormalities promptly, providing healthcare providers with actionable insights without the need for frequent in-person visits. Based on the data collected, AI can generate personalized health insights and recommendations. For example, if a patient's wearable device detects elevated blood pressure, AI can analyze the data and suggest lifestyle changes, dietary adjustments, or medication modifications. This personalized approach helps patients manage their health more effectively and supports proactive interventions. Generative AI can power virtual health coaches and chatbots that provide patients with continuous support and education. These AI-driven tools can answer health-related questions, offer advice, and remind patients to follow their treatment plans. This level of engagement can help patients stay motivated and adhere to their health goals. AI can automate communication between healthcare providers and patients, streamlining appointment scheduling, follow-up reminders, and check-in messages. This reduces administrative burden and ensures that patients receive timely and relevant information regarding their care, improving overall engagement and adherence. AI can generate predictive alerts based on real-time monitoring data. For instance, if a remote monitoring device indicates a potential health issue, such as irregular heart rhythms or signs of exacerbation in a chronic condition, AI can notify healthcare providers and suggest immediate interventions. This helps in preventing emergencies and ensuring timely care. Generative AI can create customized educational content for patients based on their specific conditions and needs. This can include personalized videos, articles, and interactive tools that help patients understand their health conditions and treatment options. Improved education empowers patients to take an active role in managing their health. AI can assist healthcare providers in making data-driven decisions by integrating and analyzing data from various sources, including remote monitoring tools and electronic health records. This comprehensive view enables providers to make more informed decisions about patient care and adjust treatment plans as needed. By monitoring patient behavior and treatment adherence remotely, AI can identify patterns that may lead to non-compliance. Generative AI can then offer targeted interventions, such as motivational messages or reminders, to help patients stay on track with their prescribed treatments. For patients with chronic conditions, remote monitoring powered by AI can ensure that their health is continuously managed and adjusted based on their condition's status. AI can provide ongoing support and adjust care plans in real time, leading to better management of chronic diseases.
All right, the last thing I want to talk about is resource allocation. Healthcare facilities often might not be efficient in their resource utilization. Is there any way Gen AI can help with that?
Definitely, Chloe. Efficient resource allocation is a critical challenge for healthcare facilities, and generative AI can offer significant improvements in this area. Generative AI can analyze historical data, current trends, and external factors to predict future demand for various healthcare services and resources. This includes anticipating patient volumes, equipment usage, and staffing needs. By accurately forecasting demand, healthcare facilities can better allocate resources and reduce waste. AI can optimize staffing levels by analyzing patient flow, peak times, and staff performance. This ensures that the right number of staff are scheduled at the right times, reducing both overstaffing and understaffing. AI can also assist in creating efficient shift schedules, balancing workload, and minimizing staff burnout. Generative AI can manage and optimize the inventory of medical supplies and equipment. By predicting usage patterns and tracking inventory levels in real time, AI can automate ordering processes, prevent stockouts, and reduce excess inventory. This helps in maintaining an optimal supply of essential items and reducing costs associated with inventory management. During emergencies, such as natural disasters or pandemics, AI can quickly assess resource availability and allocate them where they are most needed. AI systems can prioritize resources based on severity and urgency, ensuring that critical areas receive the necessary support promptly. AI can analyze data related to the use of physical spaces within healthcare facilities, such as operating rooms, patient rooms, and diagnostic areas. By identifying patterns and optimizing scheduling, AI can improve the utilization of these spaces, reducing downtime and ensuring that facilities operate at maximum efficiency. Generative AI can monitor the condition of medical equipment and predict when maintenance or repairs will be needed. By scheduling maintenance proactively, healthcare facilities can avoid equipment failures, reduce downtime, and extend the lifespan of expensive medical devices. AI can analyze spending patterns and identify areas where cost savings can be achieved. By providing insights into resource usage and expenditures, AI helps healthcare administrators make informed decisions about budget allocation and identify opportunities for cost reduction. AI can improve patient flow within healthcare facilities by analyzing data related to patient admissions, discharges, and transfers. This helps in optimizing workflows, reducing bottlenecks, and ensuring that patients receive timely care without unnecessary delays. AI can evaluate the effectiveness of different resource allocations by analyzing patient outcomes. This allows healthcare facilities to shift resources toward practices and areas that have demonstrated the best results, improving overall care quality and efficiency.
Awesome. I'm definitely convinced that generative AI can eliminate a lot of challenges in healthcare. Is there anything else you would like to add to convince any healthcare business leaders listening to this?
Absolutely, Chloe. For healthcare business leaders, it's essential to recognize the transformative potential of generative AI not just as a technological advancement, but as a strategic asset that can fundamentally enhance the efficiency, effectiveness, and quality of healthcare delivery. Investing in generative AI can lead to significant cost savings over time. By automating routine tasks, optimizing resource allocation, and improving patient outcomes, AI reduces operational costs and increases return on investment. The initial investment in AI technology can be offset by the long-term financial benefits and improved operational efficiency. AI-driven improvements in patient care, such as personalized treatment plans, faster diagnostics, and more efficient administrative processes, directly contribute to better patient experiences. Higher patient satisfaction can lead to increased patient retention, positive reviews, and a stronger reputation for your healthcare facility. Generative AI solutions are highly scalable and can be tailored to meet the specific needs of different healthcare settings, from small clinics to large hospitals. This flexibility ensures that AI can adapt to the unique challenges and goals of your organization, making it a versatile tool for growth and innovation. AI provides valuable insights through data analysis, enabling healthcare leaders to make more informed decisions. By harnessing AI's ability to process and interpret complex data, you can enhance strategic planning, improve clinical outcomes, and drive evidence-based decision-making across your organization. It's important to approach AI implementation with a commitment to ethical considerations and responsible use. Ensuring transparency, addressing biases, and maintaining patient privacy are crucial to building trust and achieving positive outcomes with AI.
All right, hope our listeners get a lot to think on from our discussion. Thank you, Sam, for your insights. We will meet again in the next episode.
Thank you, Chloe.